Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best low-cost toaster oven you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many low-cost toaster oven and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each low-cost toaster oven so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a low-cost toaster oven. First, think about the size and capacity that best fits your kitchen space and cooking needs. A compact model may save space, but a slightly larger one can handle more food. Second, check the heating performance and temperature range to ensure even cooking and consistent results. Third, look for essential features like timer controls, adjustable racks, and easy-to-clean trays that make daily use convenient. Fourth, pay attention to energy efficiency, as a toaster oven that uses less power can save money in the long run. Finally, read customer reviews to learn about durability and reliability before making a purchase. By comparing these factors carefully, you can find an affordable toaster oven that performs well and lasts longer. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.